Every time you leave WhatsApp to update HubSpot, you lose your train of thought. And sometimes, the log never happens at all. The Mini-CRM View brings HubSpot right into WhatsApp, so you can manage contacts, tasks, notes, deals, calls, and tickets without ever leaving your conversation. Every change syncs to HubSpot in real time. Let's log a call without switching apps. Open the conversation, click the HubSpot icon in the right sidebar, open the call log section, and then click New Call Log. Fill in the details, set the direction to inbound or outbound, pick a call outcome like connected or left voicemail, add the date, time, and a quick description, then click Save Call Log. Just make sure the contact already exists in HubSpot first, and it's saved straight to the contact's activity timeline in HubSpot. A complete call history logged the moment it happens. Try the Mini-CRM View today.